friends, welcome on Study Hub Education. Today we will discuss about polymerase chain reaction and its application. Polymerase chain reaction is molecular biological method which is widely used to make copies of DNA segment. Single DNA segment is exponentially amplified to generate thousand or more copies. It was developed by Kary-Mullis in 1983. Amplification of DNA is achieved by three steps. First, denaturation, second, annealing, and third, extension. Polymerase chain reaction provide simple and ingenious method for explain or amplification of specific DNA sequence by in vitro DNA synthesis. This technique was developed by Kary-Mullis at California in 1985. It was awarded by Nobel Prize in 1993 in chemistry. PCR is used to amplify or make many copies of small segment of DNA. It also referred to molecular photocopy. PCR is a molecular biological technique to replicate DNA without using living organisms such as E. coli and yeast. The PCR process is carried out by a machine called thermocycles. This machine is set up the temperature of reaction every few minutes to allow DNA denaturing and synthesis. Tag polymerase is an enzyme which is used to tolerate the high temperature in PCR process. Tag polymerase was discovered in hot spring from the bacteria Thermus aquatis. This enzyme is stable at high temperature needed to perform amplification. Other polymerases become denatured at high temperature. Detail of PCR technique and its mechanism was described by H. Ehrlich in 1985 in his edited book. The PCR requires the following process. DNA template. Any source which contains the region of DNA fragment to be amplified. Second, primers, which determine the beginning and end of the region to be amplified. Third, tag polymerase, which copies the region to be amplified of DNA. Fourth, buffers, which provide stable environment for the polymerase. These all process was carried by PCR process and PCR machine thermocycles. Working mechanism of PCR. There are three steps in one amplification cycle. First, denaturing or melting. Second, annealing, and third, elongation. First, denaturation. Melting to target DNA. It achieved at high temperature 94 degree to 96 degree Celsius. It makes both template DNA stand into single stranded. It takes 1 to 2 minutes. This process is called melting of target DNA. Annealing. It is achieved by lowering the temperature 45 to 60 degrees Celsius. This leads to attachment of primer DNA to single stranded DNA. The annealing temperature can be calculated by using the formula T is equal to 2 into AT plus 4 into G plus C. Primer extension or elongation. This allows tag polymerase to copy the DNA strand. It accompanied at 72 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. Repeated heating and cooling the cycles and make the several copies of target DNA. It takes about 1 hour 20 minutes to complete a PCR cycle and million copies of target DNA can be made. Now applications of PCR. PCR has wide use in molecular genetics, molecular biology, biotech and biochemistry. The important applications are as डिटेक्शन ऑफ जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर ऑफ हेरिडिटरी डिजीज, इससे हम किसी भी जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर को डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. हेल्प इन डीएनए फिंगरप्रिंटिंग एज इन केस ऑफ क्राइम. perinatal diagnosis of specific mutation. Faulty DNA sequence can be detected by PCR. By using PCR, sickle cell anemia and phenylketonuria also can be detected. Analysis of ancient DNA, इससे हम अपने पूर्वजों के डीएनए का एनालिसिस कर सकते हैं. PCR has made it possible to analyze DNA. For example, thousands of year old, that is ancient DNA. PCR is used to amplify a short or well-defined part of DNA strand that can be single gene or just a part of gene. Now, limitation of PCR. Limitations क्या क्या है PCR की? It can amplify only short fragment, usually up to 10 cubic. The contamination of target DNA leads to error in the results. It requires specific primer for template to amplify the DNA. The cross-reactivity with non-targeted DNA lead to amplification of non-specific DNA. That are the limitations of PCR. This is the diagrammatic process of PCR. First of all, segment of DNA which is denaturation at 94 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. Then the single stranded DNA using the primers or annealing at 40 to 60 degrees Celsius for 1 minute. Then the tag polymerase enzyme which is used to synthesis or amplify the DNA at 72 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. After this, the copies of DNA segment can be made by using tag polymerase. Now the primer extension or elongation of DNA. After this, cycle 1 complete. Then cycle 2 begin. Same process will be repeated. First of all denaturation, then primer annealing, and then tag polymerase used to amplify the DNA. That is the process of PCR or polymerase chain reaction. These are the Pathfinder publication books best for preparation of NET exam. If you want to purchase, then link in the description.